Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is going to be a quick update on Solana using Elliott Wave Theory. And just wanted to show you how close we are to a potential larger fourth wave correction. I'd be very concerned if I was holding Solana to hold through this. So if you hold it currently, I'd take a look at this count and make your own decision based on that. I expect us to stay within this area of around 70 to 140-ish for quite a while, for a few months, as you can see, like even out to like summertime. If this count is correct, that's the important thing. So we're coming up to this point of breakdown, as you can see on the left here, and I would expect us to complete our third of the third and our fifth of the third in this area, unless something crazy happens and we get some major extensions in our third. But these are our standard expected Elliott wave pivots. We're right at the 1.764. We'd expect a correction anytime here for our third of the third. Now going down to our 4 hour, this is our second 1-2, where we're looking to top our third. Pulled the pivots off our 1 and our 2. You can see we came up shy for our third wave. I have this marked as our third wave because it matches up with RSI divergence, and we then got a running flat for our fourth, which we'd expect in a fourth wave, and then we took off here looking to extend up to probably around the 200 to the 2.236, right below that point of breakdown I showed you earlier. Now zooming in closer for this fifth of the third. This was our low of our fourth. You can see we had our 1-2. The third wave is pretty clear. Looks like we're topping the third of the fifth here, right at the 2.236 extension. So again, we got quite a bit of extensions here, but it's all lining up between this area between 135.68, which is our larger target, and the 2.618 extension. So anywhere in this area between 120, 135, I'd look to protect my holdings if I was holding this. Now zooming in even closer. See, we had our 1-2, 1, 2, 3, 4 with a triangle, which leads me to believe this is the correct count. Everything's doing as it should in Elliott wave terms. Looking for a fourth wave correction on the 15-minute chart. Any time here back to the triangle area. This is a scalp area. If you're so intrigued to do that, you'd want to look between the 2.36 and the 382 and hold above this triangle and get the trade something like this. Stop at the 50. If you want to go really tight, you can go right at the bottom of the triangle and just targeting literally the 2.618. Or if you're watching the chart, you can watch the wave play out in real time. But it's a 3 to 5 to 1 trade setup, depending how you take your entry. I'll probably scalp this just because it'll be a quick trade, but I'm going to pay attention here. I'll set my alarms so I am paying attention. But yeah, it's about to come down. The question is, how far does it come? I mean, if we just come to the 236, you're going to drop like 10-15%. That's why I'd be weary if I was holding at the moment Solana. I could be wrong. We could get extensions here. It's always possible. But zooming back out on the daily, I would be very concerned in this area because we're at a very important pivot where we had the sell-off. So I'm expecting some sideways for the next while on Solana, and I might scalp that long, and I'd probably get out of it and not be interested in it anymore until we get that fourth wave on the larger degree. All right, that's it for Solana. If you want to check out my other videos, I'm currently long in 5 trades. You can see the tickers here. I made videos for all the entries with my stops, targets, everything. All right, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.